friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cinnamon apples in the Instant Pot. For this very easy, healthy dessert, all we need is apples and cinnamon, plus a cup of water for pressure cooking. So there is no need to add sugar. Apples are naturally sweet and they come out so soft and delicious. So I already washed those apples before making the video, and now I'll cut them into slices. Whether you want to peel the apples or not, it's totally up to you. I don't mind the peel, so I'll just slice them. So now, let's open the lid of the Instant Pot and add 1 cup of water. And now I'm going to put apples in the water and then sprinkle apples with cinnamon. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 3 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quickly release the steam. Now the steam has been released and it has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked cinnamon apples. Look at these delicious apples. They're perfectly cooked, soft and naturally sweet and so healthy. Let me take them out of the Instant Pot. Perfect. I'm so excited about trying them. It looks so delicious. Now let's try it. Delicious. They're so soft and naturally sweet. You're going to love making these apples in an Instant Pot. This is a perfect healthy dessert. You will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!